Good morning, students. We are going to study a new periodic properties and we'll see the trend in this while moving down the group and also on moving across the period. So the properties that we are going to deal today will be electron affinity. Electron affinity. Electron affinity is the amount of energy released when an electron is added to an isolated gaseous atom and to convert into a gaseous anion. You know that whenever atom gains an electron, it acquires a negative charge, that is, it becomes an ion, and it is this amount of energy that is released after gaining electron is called electron affinity. So electron affinity depends on atomic size and nuclear charge. Nuclear charge. So atomic size, as we know, on moving or when atomic size of an element increases, then the force of attraction between the nucleus and the outermost orbit will decrease. That is, outermost orbit will be far from the nucleus. As a result, the force of attraction will decrease, due to which electron cannot be added so easily and hence electron affinity will decrease. So increase in atomic size decreases electron affinity. On the other hand, nuclear charge, increase in the nuclear charge will increase the force of attraction and hence electron can easily be attracted or easily be added to an atom. So we can say increase in nuclear charge increases electron affinity. And in moving down the group, on moving down the group, as we know, the atomic size increases, due to which electron cannot be so easily added because of the less force of attraction, and hence we can say electron affinity decreases. Now there is an exception in group 7A where we have the elements fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. Here it is found that chlorine is more electron affinity than fluorine. So in the whole periodic table we can say the most electron affinity element is chlorine. We cannot take fluorine as the most electron affinity element or is not more electron affinity than chlorine. The reason is that fluorine is smaller in size than chlorine. As a result, it has more electronic repulsion. Now, due to this repulsive force, electrons cannot be added so easily. So we find fluorine compared to chlorine is less electron affinity element. So the most electron affinity element in the whole periodic table is fluorine. Now we have in period, when we move across the period, that is from left to right, as we know the atomic size decreases and also there is increase in the nuclear charge. So due to this, the force of attraction is maximum or force of attraction also increases, and due to increase in the force of attraction, electron can easily be attracted or can be added to an atom. So we can say that electron affinity increases on moving across the period. So this we have regarding the electron affinity. Let us now see another property, which is electronegativity. So our next property is electronegativity. And electronegativity is the tendency of an atom to gain shared pair of electrons. So it is the property of any atom or a tendency of any atom to gain the shared pair of electron, what we call electronegativity. It depends upon atomic size and also nuclear charge. Increase in the atomic size will decrease the electronegativity. The reason is quite clear because when atomic size increases, the force of attraction will decrease, and as a result electrons cannot be attracted so easily. Hence we can say increase in atomic size decreases electronegativity. Whereas in nuclear charge now, there will be increase in the force of attraction when there is increase in the nuclear charge. As a result, electrons can easily be attracted, and hence we can say increase in nuclear charge also increases the electronegativity. Now coming to the trend in this property while moving down the group and across the period. So on moving down the group, due to increase in the atomic size, electronegativity will decrease. Electronegativity decreases. If you see group number 7A, the elements are fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. Here also the electronegativity decreases, and fluorine is considered to be the most electronegative element. In the whole periodic table, we can consider fluorine the most electronegativity element. Now, period. When we move across the period, due to decrease in atomic size and increase in the nuclear charge, there will be more force and of attraction, and as a result we can say that the electrons can easily be added to an atom, or an atom can easily attract the shared pair of electrons, due to which electronegativity will increase. So in this case we find electronegativity increases. So this we have the two properties and their trends in the period and across the period and in the group. So I hope it is quite clear to you. Please try to solve it from the exercise also. So we have this much in this class. See you in the next class. Thank you very much.